Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Today I'm back with another one important question which is from November 2024 RTP. This is also one of the questions which has come in your study material in the chapter of Advanced Capital Budgeting. Friends, this is a question where they have given you a set of cash flows. They have also given you a set of utilities. Now, what do you mean by the word utilities? Friends, in your economics class, you would have learned about a theory called as the law of diminishing marginal utility. This theory was created by a great personality who is called as Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall says that our level of satisfaction can be measured in a unit which is called as utils. So for example, if you go to restaurant A, you can eat a burger over there or you can eat a pizza over there. If you find pizza more satisfying than a burger, then the utils for pizza will be more than that of the burger. I hope you're clear with this concept, friends. So here they have given you the cash flows. They have also given you the utilities. All right. When you come down, they have given you two sets of cash flows over here. This is the overall cash flow given with the overall value of utility. Down when you come, you have two projects, project X, project Y. Project X, they have given the cash flows over there. They have also given the corresponding probability. And for each of these cash flows, they have given the corresponding utility on the top. So for example, when the cash flow is minus 1,50,000, you go up. Here you have a minus utility of how much? 100. So what we have to do is, for each of this cash flow, we have to find out what is the corresponding util value. Then we are supposed to multiply with the probability so that we can get the expected utility. Or in other words, I'll just show you that over here now. Look at this, minus 1,50,000 has a utility of minus 100, correct? Probability is given, so you get the utility as minus 10. Like that, you do it for each one of this, and for project X, you get an expected utility value of how much? 2. Same way, when you do the same thing for project Y, you get a utility value of 17.55. So who is having a higher utility value, friends? Project X or project Y? Project Y. Hence, I would say that project Y is better than project X. I hope this video was useful to all of you, friends. Thank you so much.